to Jason Las Vegas, and this is a Las Vegas walking tour. We're currently in West Las Vegas, West Flamingo Park and Senior Center, located on Flamingo and Jones. Just a small little walking tour through this West Flamingo Park. Here's some of the rules. Clark County Parks and Recreation rules. You can see some fall colors, not too many. We're here in late November, the 2022, some fall colors on the trees. This is West Flamingo Park. Looks like it was established in 1998. I was about 15 years old then, right? Still living in New York City. Now we currently live in Las Vegas. Like I said, you can see some of the fall colors on the trees. Not too heavy. Some nice fall colors here in Las Vegas. The weather is about 66 degrees right now. I think the high next week is going to be around 54 degrees, so it's going to get a little bit cold now in the next few weeks. I don't think anybody's playing any volleyball anytime soon, but there is a volleyball. What is it? Is it called a court? Area to play volleyball, I would say. You can see over here is a skating park. Nice little skate arena. Cute little dogs. Dogs are the best. I love dogs. They make me happy. It's not the largest park in the world. It's kind of a tiny little park that I just happened to find. But it's a cool park, right? It's a nice little skate area over here. Roller skating, skateboarding. Right over here, maybe even some cycling. You can see there's a bus stop right there. That's the, I don't know the number, but that's the Flamingo line. So there's a bus stop right here. Let me get a little bit closer. Nice little skating area over here. This area is really falling over here, right? This is beautiful fall colors over here. And as you can see, it's the 202 bus, the Flamingo line. Let's get a nice view of the Western Mountains out there. So this is the 202 line, Flamingo. In the background, you can see those beautiful mountains to the west of us. Beautiful fall colors. You can see some fall happening right here. How pretty cool is this? See the leaves dropping from the trees over here. This is fall right here. This is beautiful. Like I said, it is currently about 60, maybe 63, I think 66 maybe the high, maybe like 62 degrees. So it is getting a little bit more chilly out here. Clearly for the month of December 2022, it's gonna be, I wouldn't say really cold, but the highs are gonna be like in the mid 50s. I saw next week, the high is like 55 degrees, 54 degrees. That's gonna be the high. So it's definitely getting a lot chillier for Las Vegas. We went through a summer of, I think, June, July, August, and even September. Every day was like 115 degrees. So it's very hot now. We're down in now the highs are hitting only the 50s, in the mid 50s. So it gets pretty chilly out here, pretty chilly. Not cold, not freezing or anything like that, but just chilly for Vegas weather. There's restrooms over here, but it looks like they're closed over here. They do have public restrooms in most of the parks, but these are closed. We'll find some other ones that should be open. A lot of baseball fields over here. How many baseball fields? Looks like 4 baseball fields, right? A lot of baseball fields. Baseball stands right here. See that amazing view of those westerly mountains? Just an insanely beautiful view. This is what the homes and houses look like in West Las Vegas. You can see. Super quiet area. Beautiful area. Underrated part of Las Vegas. I don't even know if this is considered Las Vegas. But this down here is to the east of us. That's the Las Vegas Strip. Peacefully and quiet, right? Definitely far from the Las Vegas Strip. It's a nice little fall scene over here. You can see some of the leaves have fallen and some leaves are dropping right here. Beautiful. How cool is this, right? To say the least, fall is my favorite season. To say the least, growing up in New York City, it was amazing to see the leaves change, so many colors, different colors of trees, and just the leaves falling and the snow. So I'm a huge, huge fan of the fall season. Undoubtedly my favorite season. Undoubtedly. We have a nice little playground over here, some swing sets. Even adults, you know, we still love the swings from everything, right? Still, we'll jump on these swings. Over here we have some restrooms. We should probably go inside of them, check them out, make sure everything's okay. We have the women's. And we have the men's. I think this is the men's side. Let's go and check it out. Okay. Not too crazy. Okay. It's the same entrance. Right. Yep, that was the men's side. I'm assuming this water is them cleaning the floors, I believe. So there is rolls of fresh toilet paper. I don't want to look inside the urinals. But it's not a disaster like you would think it would be, right? Fresh toilet paper. They do keep it pretty clean in here, right? It's not a complete and utter disaster. Not bad at all. Not bad at all. Yeah, so a nice little quick, 20-minute walk to a tiny little park right here in West Las Vegas. Flamingo and Jones. Las Vegas has a lot more parks than I realized. A lot of these cool little, small little parks here in the city, throughout the city. And I believe this is called West Flamingo Park in Senior Center. Just look how beautiful these trees are, man. Right? Beautiful colors on the leaves. It's a beautiful area. Got the American flag, right? Beautiful colors of trees. You can basically see the fall season right here. You got green, kind of the light yellow, and that dark brown, right? That's basically the fall season right here on these three trees. We will be doing a lot more of these walking tours of the local parks in Las Vegas. I'm fascinated by the parks in Las Vegas. I would say my two favorite parks in Las Vegas will have to be Sunset Park, which is basically across the street from Harry Reid International Airport, which is like South Las Vegas, and the Wetlands Park, which is east of Las Vegas. That place is amazing. So those two will be my favorite parks. South Las Vegas, Sunset Park, and East Las Vegas, Wetlands Park. I'm Jason, Las Vegas. Today we took a walking tour in Las Vegas. Nice little walking tour of this West Flamingo Park and Senior Center. Hit the like button, hit the subscribe button, hit the $1 donation button. And please tune in to the next video on this channel. Thanks a million for watching.